Hi, Angela and Sarah at Fine and Country, and we're here today at Little Massetts in Warwick Road in the sought-after village of Leek Wootton, with all local amenities on the doorstep and conveniently close to both Kenilworth, Warwick and also Leamington Spa.
The property has been extended by the current owners to offer spacious accommodation, providing 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 reception rooms, a study to the front, breakfast kitchen to the rear, overlooking the beautiful gardens.
All Saints Primary School, the Anchor Pub, the Village Hall, a sports club and playing fields are all just minutes away. So too is the parish church. The Warwickshire, with its excellent golfing and fitness facilities, is also within easy reach. So follow us and let's take a look around.
You join us at the end of the tour at the bottom of the garden in this secluded, fabulous, entertaining area. If you would like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact us on the details that follow.